I watch idiots in cars with poke in Anna, and that means people crashing. Enjoy.
Oh, what the hell?
This guy's listening to Thanos.
Oh!
Dude!
Oh!
At least it was the
Oh my
bag.
god. Bro, you can see the skeleton.
Dude, the pause for the audiobook as he hit it and then it continuing afterwards.
Wait, that's so
crazy.
funny. Wait, you're not supposed to go
Oh
over
my
those
god!
mountains.
Dude, he went for a roundhouse. He went.
This is not Mario Kart.
He ganked him. He ganked him. He
Oh my
ganked him.
god.
Damn, and you got fucked over because of it. That's crazy, bro. Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Oh.
Okay,
Whoa.
did you not see him?
Delayed noise,
Did
and
you?
yeah, also
Okay,
you just did not react
We
at
have
all.
to go. Okay, instant replay. Look at this shit. You see him go. Like, what are you? Like
Yeah,
what the fuck
there's
are we
no
doing?
reaction there at all, bro. You're
Also,
just,
you-
I don't know, this is your
Also,
fault.
his shit's red.
70% of your dog's immune
I don't want to go there. It's gonna be hot. So,
Those are some cool ass trees.
Oh,
Kia Soul.
watch video.
$1 million boost guarantee.
yeah, locked the okay, unlocking video.
What do we?
Okay, that was kind of
He
cute.
just ran right into
It was so
dude.
small. Oh my
Video,
god,
like,
I can't
started
see.
distorting, yeah, ow.
Bro needs new windshield wipers
Yeah,
pronto.
actually, they're just bad. It's not even like that rainy. They're just bad.
Oh my god! Wait, I was so focused on how bad the windshield
Yeah, I bet this
wipers
guy
I didn't
was
even
too.
notice.
I bet in the aftermath of the footage, he's like, "Oh, the truck. I didn't even know. I thought it was like a van or something." You just can't fucking see. Like, what is this, dude? You can't see. Get new wipers. It's actually so bad.
Just go to AutoZone; they'll do it for
They're
you.
like $15.
Fucking Amazon Prime truck,
Okay.
dude. You could steal
Okay.
all those packages. Oh,
Boing.
okay,
Dude, he did
man.
that shit on purpose. You see how much he bounced?
Yeah, literally.
He was flexing.
In New York City, they have like bumper protectors.
Right.
Okay. Were you saying Christ to someone hitting your car or the loud ass music?
I think someone hit it. Dude, why are we going like
Bro's
100?
going way too fast.
Bro said fuck like it wasn't his fault.
Oh shit!
Wait.
Oh.
Well, good thing
Saved?
you live in a town with nobody else in it, I guess.
Yeah,
man.
Yo,
literally.
that's definitely why he was going that fast. Hold up. I want to see how fast we're going.
Oh yeah. Does it say?
It does. So they were going 40,
40.
when the road is just ice. That's fucking insane. The road's just ice. There's no fucking
Some people.
pavement there.
If this is a truck, then some people get a little overconfident.
This is a car. It's too low to the ground.
And the other one we tie. We cannot win a game. We cannot hold a lead. I do not know what is
Dude, that's his spot. What are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? That was his
Wait.
spot, bro.
This is the dash cam's fault.
Yeah, that was his spot.
Like,
and you
just
were
you
going
could
too fast.
slow down and just relax a little bit.
It was
let him
snowy,
in.
but
Oh my god. Snowed in,
Wait, is
and
this
you're
a-
about to get destroyed because of it, bro.
dude,
Oh.
they 450 mailboxes
That
can't
was
stop
cool.
me. Snow can't
That was
stop me.
sick.
Dumb bitch wife, I need an F550 for this reason specifically.
I got somewhere to be.
I gotta go home
I
and
got
meet my
somewhere to
wife.
be, and it's to fish and not talk to my dumb bitch wife on Valentine's Day. Am I right? Yeah, I'm dating the
Yep.
video. Fuck you, Brandon.
Yeah.
What even happens here? What? Did
The car
something
just
already happen?
explodes.
I was gonna say, like, what?
This is like
Okay.
the perfect angle
Are they
for it to
just
just
stuck
blow
on
up.
ice?
I think so.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
ah.
Enhance. Enhance. Oh.
It's a
Okay.
guy instead of helping him.
Oh, is
Not
that
sure
their
how you helped
driveway?
them. Oh,
Oh
my
my
god, I was
God.
joking. I
Bro.
was joking.
Wait,
It
you were
happened
joking, but that's
again.
crazy.
Oh, why did you blow that car up?
Wait, how
didn't
does that
blow
even
up, though.
happen?
I don't know.
What?
You know how like you scrape flint and make fire? I think it's kind of like
Yeah,
that with the
like-
tires.
They honestly might have just like overheated something from like the
Yeah.
friction of it spinning without moving.
Were the tires like so bald that it got to the rims immediately?
No, I think
All
it's
those
like
tires.
no,
Oh my
something
God.
something definitely
It's the
blew
left.
up. Something blew up. You can hear it
But,
like,
like,
boom.
Yeah. But like what even is back there? It's like the
The
exhaust
oil
and-
tank or the gas tank.
I guess. I guess.
I guess the gas tank blew up. Dude, that fucking mailbox destroyed that car. What a fucking shitty car.
What a fucking idiot in a car.
Dude, the
there you go.
mailbox totally fucked up the car. That's insane.
Oh my god. She said the title of the video.
It's a fucking mailbox, bro. Also, that mailbox has been there the entire time. And you hit it now?
Oh, how is the vice versa?
Dude, look out!
Oh my god, you saved him. Like
Dude,
he saw he heard
Early
he heard
warnings
you.
are all people need.
Costco gas. Yep. Okay.
Okay, average Costco membership guy. Am I right or am I right, guys?
You're right.
You're talking about like all of my friends.
That's what they fucking get.
That's what they fucking deserve.
Is that a Chick-fil-A over there? No, it's a Walgreens.
Dude, I
I'm
swear to God,
stupid.
they heard the honk and they sped up.
This is how it goes, you know?
They're like, oh, what's that? Who's the honk for? Do they not know?
Are they stupid?
Yes.
Are they an idiot?
Yes. In a car.
In a car?
Yes.
Now you're getting it.
That guy's just based. He's like, move the fuck over, slowpoke.
He's the main character.
Yeah.
And let's just let him have it.
That's just a cop.
What?
You can't do that. Sir, you can't
Dude,
do that.
Read the sign. The left lane is for passing, stupid. They're everywhere. They're all along the fucking highway. Left lane for passing. Dumbass. Read the fucking laws.
There's 2 left lanes he could do that for.
Yeah, literally. They're
completely
This is
empty.
the dumbest shit in the world. Like, dude, all cops are bastards. Like, fucking actually. Holy shit.
We radicalized them, boys.
Dude, I was already radicalized, okay? I wish I could say way worse.
Hey.
Oh my god.
You got like a gaggle of people in your car.
I love when
Like
there's people
17
talking.
different screams there, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, they were trying to get to the fucking exit? Are you serious?
Dude. Blow up this man.
Just fucking take the next one, bro.
Blow him up. Oh my god, where are they going?
Dude, he's running.
But his car's right there.
Why are they?
Oh!
He's going all in.
Oh, fuck,
Dude,
dude.
the guy running from the cops was like, he was breaking records.
Bolted.
Okay.
The cop wasn't look like he didn't look like he was ready to run.
No, they never are. That's why they're fucking 800 pounds, okay? Like, dude, you want to know why the cops get custom Ford Explorers? It's because they're too fucking heavy for the regular ones. Too fat, okay? They need to get better engines because if you have 2 cops in a Ford Explorer, it will be slower than a stock one.
Too fat, too furious.
Yep.
Doing. BMW.
That was
Dude,
Paul
a
Walker.
milkshake after this would fix me, though.
He's in the
A
hospital.
red milkshake.
Yeah, red 40. Red 40 milkshake. Okay, bro.
Do you think the traffic lights have red 40?
Yes. That's how they turn red.
I can see what's happening.
Dude, this is fucking insane.
Dude, thank
Yeah,
God they're
man.
wearing
Yeah, keep
black. If they were
honking.
wearing
Keep
white,
honking.
why are you mad? You're fucking jaywalking.
Okay, but jaywalking is fun, and it's like honking is not gonna
No,
fix the
it's,
solution.
it's just crazy to be upset when there's like no visibility. Like no
When
one
it's like
can see
your
you.
fault. Well, at least they're wearing black. If they were wearing white, it'd be over.
It'd be kind of funny.
I would have just,
Fucking-
I would have laid down, bro.
Laid down on the snow in
Yeah,
all
I would have
white.
did a snow angel and made that guy so upset.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
But I just wanted to make sure y'all was
No,
good.
yeah,
Oh,
we
okay.
Oh, this
That's
is
not
very
bad.
kind. That's nice.
Oh, that was a wholesome ending to our idiots
That was a
crashing
wholesome ending.
themselves video.
Nobody dies in this video, Brandon. Shut up.
I mean, I'm censoring it. That's fine. Dude, always the cube cars. Watch them, bro. Never,
Oh my
never
God, oh
give
my
the
God.
cube cars an inch. They'll take a mile.
Dude, an inch is a lot too.
Wait, but they had the. Oh, never mind.
Fuck
I'm
is this
stupid.
music? I'm scared.
Dude, okay.
That was so loud.
Dude,
Wait, I love
insanely
this.
suspenseful music to be playing for that. That was like,
down. Why did I not turn it down?
that's
Oh my
art.
God, they have a cinnamon roll sticker.
That's fucking art. Oof. This
Dude,
video
Five Guys
looks
or
way
KFC?
older than it is.
It does, yeah. Chicken my booty.
Chicago.
Dude, he literally targeted. That was fucking targeted.
This is an old clip. You could tell because there's a Jurassic Park movie.
Is that a dinosaur? Oh my God.
Oh, dude, drive up that thing.
I want
right
to drive up the
now.
ramp. Drive up the ramp.
Yeah,
Drive up the
get
ramp.
up
Drive it.
speed.
Please, please, please. Oh my God, I did not expect that. Wait, that's so funny. He lost his job.
Careful when you're driving a
And when you're driving a trailer.
Yeah, dude, was this like his first job?
That's rough. That's a rough day.
Dude, like
Like, how are you gonna flip it back?
you don't.
What?
Yeah,
do you get a
don't, you just
trailer?
go
Is there a
home.
trailer
You know,
for
like,
that?
if I was driving this, I would not have done this because, like, dude, all the weight's in the top. Like, why are you?
I think they forgot.
Yeah, but like, why
They totally forgot.
You're hit like he has one car on it, and it's like literally higher than his entire car. This thing is so fucking top heavy, dude.
Well, it's also like they totally just forgot. Like they didn't even go wide at all.
No, they didn't.
What a great placement for a dash
They
cam.
just said oi.
Oh.
Jesus Christ!
Dude, the fucking car on the right, I want that car. Look at
No,
this
you
shit.
don't.
No, dude,
No,
it
you
is like
don't,
it's
bro.
like a
You
little
want that
it's like a
shit.
little coupe pickup.
Oh, that's cute.
It's
It's
like
okay, bro. It's all right.
Dude, it's modified as shit too. It's like lowered. Fuck you, Pope.
It's like Red 40.
Yeah, dude.
Where are they going? Is there like a hidden driveway?
they took that with such confidence. What the fuck?
Where are they going? That's so funny.
Street too, but I was like, hacienda more. Yeah, car crash. I just saw that.
This guy's so
Whoa.
stoked.
Yeah, I'm looking at this restaurant. What
Yeah,
is
it was a
that?
car crash.
That was so stoic.
Wyoming.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that
yeah.
car just fucking crumbled.
Bro, neither of them took a hint.
That car crumbled like a Lego. The guy's got the manual.
Oh, my god. The frames changed
Yeah,
when
that
the
was an
accident
impact
happened.
frame like I was watching One Piece. What
That
the
was
fuck?
like
Yeah,
a
it was
time
an
skip
impact
thing
frame.
or something. What the fuck?
Like they changed to time.
It's like they sent the car through time.
They like fixed the camera. Oh my god, they have a crazy HUD.
Dude, you gotta slow down. There's a guy like fucking literally spinning in circles in front of you.
Yeah, it's just the usual day on the
Dude,
highway.
he barely slowed down. That's insane. They're gonna put their hand up like, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, I almost killed you.
But they're not sorry. They're actually not. Oh, a deer is about to fly through the wind or the window here. This is
Okay.
a prime deer
Oh,
clip right here, or
whoa.
not. I'd be pissed.
Dude, I am not.
You
sitting
ruined
in-
my
I'm
fucking
not sitting at
meal.
this table anymore.
Yeah, I'm
Dude,
dragging the
if
motherfucker out
I
of the
was
car and
sitting
eating him.
there, oh my god, I'd be like near-death experience.
I don't think so. I think that she is trying to show.
We
It's
get
just a GTA
jammy
dude.
with it though. Yeah.
Whoa, bro pissed himself.
Dude,
No, it's just a
I'd
jump
pee
scare.
myself.
Cop spotted. Run
Cop,
into him.
cop.
Hit him.
Turn into his lane.
Dude, he can't turn.
He turned into
He
your
can't
lane.
turn.
Turn.
He's special. He's
What?
lobotomized.
Who's an idiot?
The average intelligence police officer.
How do you pull him over?
Honk your horn. Hey, citizens arrest! You crossed the lane.
Yes, 911. There's a cop in front of me.
There's a cop in front of me breaking the law all the time. Arrest him.
Literally.
Dude, sometimes the frame rate of the dash cam looks so weird that the tires don't look like they're spinning.
Yes.
Yes.
Dude, it really is just bad road design.
Oh, that would suck. Like having to last minute figure out which fucking lane I'm supposed to go into.
Yeah, and like it clearly is like they're very separate places.
On US 21
Yeah.
South.
Late 70s or early 80s, Coca-Cola Park.
What the fuck is on the radio?
Why'd you?
Okay, that wasn't really
Okay.
that bad.
Yeah, well, that
Get
was
over it,
nothing.
dude.
That was literally nothing.
Why would you
Blow this
upload
man up.
a clip of yourself road raging when this is probably just how you drive on these back roads? You know?
Is it because they turned and made you slow down?
Yeah, like they cut them off. I get like they shouldn't have turned, right? But
I
like
get that.
you could also just go around them like you did. The honking was kind of unnecessary. If you like, just speed past them if you're angry.
Also, who knows? Maybe their visibility was really hard with that bush.
It's their house. They put bush there. You should remove the
They
bush.
never trim it. Okay.
Why are we watching a Vanoss gaming clip?
It's for fun, dude.
That's
What is
such
this
a data
for?
reference
Who's
at
pulled
this
over?
point.
What even happened? Okay. Oh, there's more?
It's just a guy.
Okay, who's that? With a beer? Based.
Wait, okay.
Maybe he thought it was going
If
60.
this guy was drunk driving, that's really fucking funny.
Okay. Yeah, he got stuck. You know, he's just trying to make his way out. It's a snowy day, man. Give him a break.
I'd be so worried about flipping.
Yeah, he's struggling clearly to get over the hump.
It's only getting steeper too.
This music is pissing me off.
Yeah,
It's really
I'm
bad.
gonna replace it with something, or maybe just
Replace
mute
it with monkey spinning monkeys.
What is that flashing or is it the camera that does that? Did you see the fucking gas
Is
prices?
it just
Oh no, that's
Sorry,
it's the
I don't
camera.
match the music. It's just playing the same beat over
It
and over
is.
again. This
Yeah, it's
isn't even
pissing
a
me
song.
off.
The same truck you've been following this whole time. Wait, is that on the
Yeah,
trailer?
who cares, man?
No,
No, not the trailer.
It's snowing outside, dude.
dude, it's
Get
just
a job.
it's just one guy's dash cam.
Yeah, this is just one guy's dash cam about a snowy day. It just
$2.99
it
for a
happens.
To
what?
be fair,
What is that,
seeing
a
this
triple
shit all the time, I think would like radicalize you. If you were going to work every fucking morning and there was always like the stupidest shit in the world, it's like, when will you learn? You know, like when will you learn snow makes it hard to
Yeah.
drive?
Dude, this music is making me mad.
Dude, holy shit. I know how to fucking piss off Poke now. Dude, if I ever put you in like, I don't know, if I were to keep you somewhere, I'll play that music all the time.
I would lose my
Fucking
mind.
Keeping me somewhere? What's going on now?
I'd rather be completely quiet.
All right, click the entrance now. Like and subscribe if you do, or I'll keep Poke in a room forever, locked in that room with that
In a
music
milking
playing all the
machine.
time. No, you're not Jordan Peterson.
Aw, man.